there's marami tayong nasalanta sa bagyo ngayon, and we're really on top of the situation. Ang unang-una is there is a 60-day price freeze on all the basic commodities that we have listed in our memo, no? And aside from this is also strictly monitored, meaning i-check namin ito aggressively, meaning on a day-to-day basis, nagbibigay sila ng update sa amin sa mga supermarkets, grocery, convenience stores, and other areas or other stores na nagbebenta ng mga basic necessities na ito. So this must be strictly followed. So there's a 60-day price increase for the basic necessities that are covered by the areas na kasama sa nasalanta ng bagyo. So, and rest assured that the DTI is really on top of this situation. Another thing is that we are also aggressively coordinating with the supermarkets, convenience stores, small and big groceries, markets, to make sure that there's a constant supply of food and constant supply of basic necessities that are needed by the people that yung nandun sa mga probinsya or mga towns na nasalanta ng bagyo. So we are on top of this. Another thing also na, that we would like to strictly enforce is also yung mga tao or mga negosyante that are taking advantage of this situation. Kasi syempre, pag may bagyo, alam ng mga negosyante, yung mga ibang negosyante, na pwede silang let's say, take advantage ng situation. So, the Department of Trade and Industry is on top of this also. So, we are aggressively price monitoring. We are also aggressively checking na lahat ng mga presyo ay tamang presyo para sa mga consumers natin, especially those na nasalanta badly by the bagyo.